Hi everyone, Anjita this side. So recently I went through the process of getting my influencer license and permit here in UAE. And since then I have been getting a lot of messages asking about how it works and what payments are involved and what applications you need. So I decided to make this detailed step-by-step video showing you exactly how I got it done. So everything from the first visit to DED cafe to police verification and to the final permit. So step one is you need to go to DED cafe at Palm Strip Mall in Dubai, and you need to ask them for an influencer license. And then you will get a token. They will call your number, and once your number is called, they will ask you for your phone number and UAE Pass. So make sure that you have UAE Pass application installed on your phone. Then they will send you a WhatsApp message requesting your social media profile, for example, Instagram, YouTube, or LinkedIn. And then you will need to make a first payment, which is of 145 dirham for the initial approval. So this approval usually takes up to 2 hours. You can step out during this time, but you must return in person because you will not get any notification or any email automatically. You will have to come back after 2 hours to check that your approval is done or not. Then we have step two, which is basically after 2 hours, you come back to DED Cafe, you get a token again, and the team there will help you and guide you to register your trade license. So there are two payments involved in this step. One first payment is 1070 dirham. Okay. And the second payment is 261 dirham, which you have to go to cashier and make a payment over there. So once this is completed, the next step is police verification. So for police verification, make sure you have this application MOI UAE. I will also attach the screenshots here. You can check this application and make sure you have it to get the process done easier and quicker. Then staff there will guide you how to get your police verification done. So what you have to do, so you have to make a payment of 50 dirham. So these guys will guide you how to do police verification. You have to make a payment of 50 dirham, and once you install the application, the payment can be done there on the application itself. And once the payment is done, you will have to wait for some time to get the police verification report. For me, it took approximately up to 30 minutes, but it can take more than that also. But generally, it's if you're doing it through MOI app, it's 30 minutes to 1 hour. Okay. So during this time, you can either step out or you can be in the same cafe. So once this is done, then you will go back again. Then you will share the police verification report with them, and then you will get your trade license instantly over there on the WhatsApp. Okay. So this is DD WhatsApp. For getting any permit, you need to get a trade license. So either you have your company registered or it is not registered, then you need to have this influencer license, or they call it as trade license as well. Okay. The next step is, which is the final step, you will have to get your permit. So for the permit, so what are the steps which are required? It can be either done at Amir, which is again a government office, or it can be done directly at the DED cafe. For me, it was directly at the DED cafe. So the staff over there assisted me with this process. So what you have to do for this, there is a payment required for approximately 150 dirham, and then they will ask you about some documents, which is basically your Emirates ID PDF and your passport PDF. And then they will ask you all your social media links which you want to attach to this permit, right? So for me, I attached my YouTube, my LinkedIn, and my Instagram links there, and I shared my Twitter and my Medium link as well for the permit. So after these links are shared, then they will apply for your permit, and this permit can take up to 7 to 10 days. But during not that you cannot upload any content, you can upload the content. The process is anyways in progress. Before we end, there are some important information which I want to share with you. The total cost of the end-to-end process is 1700 approximately, and it took me almost a day, and it was during weekday I went there. Like on the weekend, it can take more time. Okay. Timings of the ED cafe are 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. So, but the process can take full day. Like I said, there is a break of 2 hours when you get your initial approval. So you can plan your day accordingly. And the applications which are required for this one, first is the UAE pass, and the second one is the MOI UAE. So that's the complete step-by-step process for getting your influencer license in UAE. Everything here is based on my personal experience, including all the payments, all the applications. If this helps you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and share it with any of the creators who might need this information, because you know that if you're not registered, then you might get a fine of 10,000 dirham in UAE. All right. So go get yourself registered and get yourself a permit. and start uploading content without any hesitation. All right. So comment below if you need any further details. I'll be happy to share it with you. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching AV Automation Hub, and I'll see you in the next video.